to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today we're going to focus on decluttering my grandkids' toy corner. Many of you know that I take care of my grandson during the week while my daughter and son-in-law are at work. But these toys are also played with by my youngest granddaughter, and they'll be here for 2 more grandkids that are on the way. On the day that I'm filming this, it is my grandson's 3rd birthday. His parents took him out of town for a fun long weekend, so I'm watching their bulldog, Gracie May, and now is a perfect opportunity for me to be able to declutter and organize all these toys. I'm going to start out by cleaning this area, and then I'll bring in the toy shelf that I had planned to set up here.
I've lost my soul, I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go, I'm fighting another day.
My little granddaughter, she's such a character. She's 22 months old. She thought it would be a great idea to pour her little goldfish snacks onto the stove. Well, at least she has the right idea.
How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin? Why do I feel so empty deep within? Where did I go wrong? Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul, I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go, I'm fighting another day. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul, I'm driving.
I'm going to go ahead and slide in this cubby shelf. I had this in my home photography studio to hold my props, but I think it'll be more useful in this space.
Another day. Heading back to what used to be home.
The way that I declutter is to group like items together and then to decide what I'm going to keep and what we need to organize. When I organize it, I want it to be easy for the kids to grab and take to their spot on the floor or at their table.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I before the summer begins and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet.
My little guy has misplaced his Little People Legos. He calls them little guys. One of them is a Santa, and I find it here in his doctor set. Let's see how many more I'm able to find for him.
Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind.
I bought these cubbies on Amazon. I think that they match my color scheme of my home. In this first one, I'm going to put in his larger Legos, and then I'll put in these Duplos that I put in a Ziploc bag along with its instructions.
I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one?
In this one, I'll store all of my littlest grandbaby's toys.
Always on my mind, were you the one? Always there, were you the one that got Time is a little by little, day by day, I'm caught in the middle of a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner.
And in this final cubby, I'll put some of the bigger toys that they'd like to play with, but that they have a lot of small parts that need to be contained.
Solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? What I do.
I'm going to do one last sort of these leftover toys before I decide what I'm giving away.
I wanna be brave.
I love these cardboard bricks. All of my kids had them when they were growing up, and I so enjoy having them here for my grandkids. Now these are a new set. They're not the ones that I had back when my kids were small, but you can still find them.
Little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back. I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the.
Here are all my little guy's books. He got these for his baby shower. Instead of cards, we had people bring books, and they signed the inside of the books for him. It's such a precious idea.
I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground but not?
If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm the mom to 3 moms and a son. I started this channel to encourage young mothers to reclaim your peace through cleaning, organizing, and setting up routines. But to get started, we first need to declutter our homes. So currently on my channel, we're working on the decluttering series. We're going room by room, and we're clearing out all the things that we no longer need, love, or want. I would love for you to join along with me. All you have to do is subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that you get reminded of every time that I upload a new video.
How can I get it right? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground but not back down each time? Oh, each time.
Okay, here's the toys that I'm left with. I'm going to go ahead and throw them out because there's really not much use for them. Now I'll quickly clean around the table and chairs so that I can set up the table with a couple of his gifts. If you like these types of videos, would you please give me a big thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and be sure to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video.
Him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight, whispered inside your heart tells you that.
Here are all the little guys that I found. I'm sending him this video so that he can see.
Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore.
Okay, we successfully accomplished another declutter. It feels good to go through each area of our home and get things out that we no longer need. Do any of y'all notice little things like this that you just have to reach over and fix? I do this all the time.
There's no looking the other way.
I want to thank you for visiting me here again today. I hope that these videos are motivating you to do a massive declutter of your home. I'm adding a link here at the end of the video for you. Go ahead and click it. It will take you to the other decluttering projects that we've completed. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Stay blessed, my friends.
Out of the silence.